Hey, Rigel, what's the matter? What's the matter?
Here you go.
What's going on, y'all? We got coffee going. We got Rigel starting to get a little finicky. Have to go there and pick him up in a second. This weekend, we are going to go work on the warehouse, get it all cleaned and organized. Might work on the fence some. I'm going to go cook some meat for the crew, do my clients, write my newsletter, spend some time with Crystal and my lovely little baby Rigel over there.
Grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping. What else we got? Anything else? Go get him right now is what I want to do. What do you think of the new hairstyle, y'all? We're calling it the alfalfa. What are you doing?
What do we got going on?
Well, I just ate my breakfast sandwich, which was made with deer shanks and an egg, but now I'm eating the chaffle covered in melted keto brick, and it's delicious.
Yeah, this is like a weekend routine at our house whenever we're home. Chaffle sandwiches. Look how cute he is. Just look at it. Just look how cute he is. Oh my gosh. I just couldn't handle it. He's so cute, and I had to show you guys. So yeah, I'm cute. Look at me in my beanie. Cutie patootie. Alright guys, so we are now at Whole Foods. We've gone to a couple different stores. Robert took me to my favorite coffee shop, and now we're at Whole Foods. We're gonna get some stuff for just like the week. I'm probably gonna make a whole bunch of chili and some chicken, things like that. So we're gonna go to Whole Foods, go to the meat market, and when we get back to the house, I will share with you guys what we got. So we'll see you at home. We're gonna have a crawler soon. Aw, you put your little leg down. Huh, I'm just talking to you. You wanna do it again? Gonna show the people again? Maybe we'll try to catch it later, huh? Oh, we're gonna do it. There you go. So good, buddy. Alright guys, we are home, and we've been home for, I don't know, an hour or so. Robert just left to go clean the warehouse, and I forgot to turn the monitor on. The house is a disaster. I got home and took out all the groceries, and there's dishes left over from dinner from last night. And I got a box of clothes from my sister for Rigel, and I took all those out and I haven't put them away, so everything's crazy. But I just got Rigel down for a nap, and I totally forgot to show you guys all the groceries when I was putting the groceries away. So I'm going to show you guys what we got at the grocery store. It's just like a typical quick run at the grocery store for us to kind of set us up for success for next week. So I'll show you what we got. Okay, so we'll start with drinks. I like the Waterloo. Robert likes the Liquid Death. These are leftover. I'm trying not to buy too many like sweetened things because it makes me crave sweet things more. This is all raw milk that was from the cow down the road, not from today's shopping. I did get some cheese. I got some sharp cheddar and some mozzarella. Also got some cream cheese. I have so much because I like to not have to go shopping all the time. I had a couple of these yogurts already, but I got another additional yogurt. I got a few ounces of pounds of chicken. I'm gonna stick that in the Instant Pot and just make some shredded chicken for the week. This is not what the actual eggs are. These are from a farmer down the road. Got some heavy creams, and I think that's it for the fridge, honestly. I think that's all we got. Oh, we did get some bacon. We got two different kinds of bacon, actually. So we got that one, which is typical for us. And we got this one, which also has 0 sugar. So that's pretty cool too. All right, so I also got some Rao's vodka sauce. I'm using this for our chili. Also using some of these diced green peppers, also for the chili. I got some collagen. I've been mixing that with our raw milk, and it's delicious. More to come on this brand, but I'm not a huge fan of the brand or the people it's owned by, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. What else did I get? Oh, we got some oysters for Robert. Robert loves oysters. I can't stand seafood, so these are all for Robert. And I think that is all. I think that's all I got for you guys. So we just did a quick run. We also got some brats. We got like a million gazillion brats over here. And that's all cooking for the crew. They're all frozen. So I tried to lay them all out separately so that they could thaw out. But that's pretty much all we got. Oh yeah, that's right. We also got an avocado, so Rigel can try an avocado this week. So that'll be fun too. So see you guys later.
What's going on, y'all? Happy Sunday morning to you. Top of the morning. We're having some coffee, enjoying this beautiful sunrise right here with this time shift. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day.
What? That doesn't even do it justice.
Didn't do it justice.
Wow. Okay, well it does look pretty still, but there it goes. Maybe a little bit more. It's so pretty.
What is going on, y'all? We are at home, which is like this, how would you describe, like a furniture store, furniture/home goods. Nothing's really fancy here. It's all kind of like cheap stuff, but we're trying to get some props and decor for the building, get it all buttoned up and looking good. So we're gonna get here and see if we can find like a lamp, rug, side table, stuff like that, because Crystal's the one that has the eye for decoration.
I do not at all, actually.
And Rigel's here supervising. He's kind of fussy today though.
Super fussy.
Fussy. Alright, y'all, we are at the warehouse. We did not show y'all any of the shopping that took place within at home, but we got a bunch of stuff. It's in the van right now. About to unload that and get this place decorated. I'm not sure why I'm wearing this hat. It was a freebie that came in the mail to try and sell me some gel or something. What's up, babe? You ready to decorate?
I am ready. I think it'll look really good.
Rigel seems super enthused. Snoozing. Alright, this is our blank slate here.
Blank slate.
Let's make something of it. What is going on, y'all? So we got this little corner all finagled up. It's been like a year and a half since we've been in this building. Not quite a year and a half, I guess. Pretty good little while though, and we're just now doing some of this ornate, decorative, what is it, superficial? Not superficial, cosmetic stuff.
Yeah.
You know, the business is all about the business, but every once in a while we gotta like step back and make some cosmetic improvements, make things look all fancy dancy, so when people come in to visit us, we can be proud of the building we're working in. So spent the whole weekend pretty much cleaning things up, got a bunch of the kitchen stuff organized, got a bunch of the break room stuff organized, put mirrors in the break room, hadn't had mirrors in the break room. You welcome, Chip. Got a hanger set up in the kitchen so that we can, I'm gonna show them that real quick, it's kinda cool. Get everything up and running, we'll just show you that.
Rapid even has a red light in here.
Yeah, we got a red light in here.
Okay. In the kitchen.
Alright, so all these brooms and scrapers and stuff were hanging out on the floor, which looked janky. So mounted that, so now we got an organized spot for all of our cleaning equipment. And life is good.
Got those hung up.
Got those hung up, so we're up to code. Got all kinds of stuff organized. Making things look good around here.
Did you want to go anywhere else or just?
You can show them Bryson's little corner here. Got Bryson's desk corner all fixed up. So he's got a desk with a working light. Work on his apparel stuff. Got Chip's corner all cleaned up. And,
I wish we would have done a before picture or before video of all this stuff.
You didn't want to see it before video.
It was
pretty
pretty.
rough. But we got some
It
organization
wasn't dirty. It was
going
just
on now.
cluttered.
Yeah, so it's looking good, y'all.
We got a clock in the break room now.
Put a clock in the break room now with the mirrors. Now it is 6:30. We're gonna go home and cook a bunch of brats on the grill for the crew's lunch. So that's what we're gonna do now. You ready, Reggie?
This guy is so tired. He's been a trooper.
Trooper.
Daylight savings is today, so
Yes, indeed.
he's a little bit more tired. All right, on to the house we go.
All right, y'all. We got some brats on the grill. We got some chicken parmesan on the right. We got some andouille on the left. Every single week, pretty much every single week, we cook for the crew, so they have some good quality meat to eat throughout the week. I'm gonna pull these off the grill. That's gonna be a wrap for this weekend. Nothing but love, y'all. See ya next time. Boom.